Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of k given that 9 to the power of 4 to the power of k equals 4 to the power of 9 to the power of k. So to find the value of k that satisfies this problem, here is what we are going to do first. Suppose we introduce logarithm to this. So we have log 9 to the power of 4 to the power of k equals log 4 to the power of 9 to the power of k. So when we take the whole of 4 to the power of k here, we have 4 to the power of k log 9 equals also 9 to the power of k log 4. And by dividing both sides by log 9, so we have divide both sides by log 9. So when this cancelled, we have 4 to the power of k equals 9 to the power of k in bracket. So here is log 4 divided by log 9. So next, we also try to divide both sides by 9 to the power k. As we have 9 to the power of k cancelled, so at this side we have 4 to the power of k divided by 9 to the power of k equals, here we have log. So anytime we have log 4 divided by log 9 like this, or any other values that's related to this, so we write it as log 4 base 9. Then here we have 4 over 9 and both of them are raised to the power of k. Then we write it as 4 divided by 9 all raised to the power of k equals log 4 base 9. And then for the second time, to get k also, we introduce another logarithm to this. So by introducing another logarithm, you have log 4 divided by 9 raised to the power of k equals log in bracket log 4 base 9. So then we should note that anytime we have log a to the power of b, we write it as b log a. So I'm supposed to have written this rule from the above. So this is the rule I've been applying above. Anytime we have this kind of log, we write it this form. And then we have, so k will come down. So in the parentheses, we have log 4 divided by 9 equals log in bracket log 4 base 9. And by dividing both sides by log 4 base 9, log 4 divided by 9, so we have this cancelled, so that the value of k equals log of log 4 base 9 all divided by log 4 divided by 9. So we can leave the answer like this, or we rewrite it as the rule we apply here, as in anytime we have log a divided by log b, we write it as log a base b. That is the rule. So we can also combine this as that. So the whole of this 4 over 9 become the base, and all this one become what will be at the top, which is the log itself. So since these logs are working individually, so this is the log that will combine them, not this log. So therefore, another way we can write this solution is for k to be equals to log of log 4 base 9, then base 4 divided by 9. So this is another dimension of which this solution can be written. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.